So let us look at the question. So it is asking us if all the bakeries in the city M are small businesses, are at least 50% of the bakeries in city M managed by men. So we have 10 bakeries. It is asking us, are at least 5 bakeries in city M managed by men. 50% of 10 is 5, so 50% are they managed by men. So statement 1 says 30% of the small businesses managed by women in city M are bakeries. 30% of small businesses by women, managed by women, are bakeries. So it is not giving us an idea of the absolute number of the bakeries which are being managed by women. It is only saying 30% of small businesses which are being managed by women are bakeries. So women might be managing say 70 or say, because we have assumed hundreds, so say they are managing 40 small businesses. So 30% of 40 would be 12, so they would be managing 12 bakeries, which would be factually incorrect because there are 10 bakeries. So if they would have been managing say 15 small businesses or 20 small businesses, 30% of these small businesses would be bakeries being managed by women. So in a sense that this statement does not give us an absolute number. It only tells us that how many percentage of small businesses which are being managed by women are actually bakeries. So the only additional insight that we can deduct from this statement is that the remaining, that is 70% of small businesses managed by women in city M are not bakeries. So if women are managing small businesses, 30% of them are bakeries and 70% of them are not bakeries. Now let us look at statement number 2. It says that 40% of the small businesses operating in city M are managed by women. 40% of small businesses operating in city M are managed by women. So we said that the small businesses are 50 out of 100. 40% of 50 would be 20. How do we calculate that? See, very simple. 40 by 100 into 50. So this 50 will divide this 100 by 2, and then that 2 will divide this 40 by 20 times. So simple arithmetic. I'll wait till you guys do this. I hope everybody has been able to come up with this 20 figure, which is 40% of 50. Now it says 40% of the small businesses operating city M are managed by women. So 40% of small businesses is actually 20. So it says 20 businesses, 20 small businesses. It's quite late, so not able to type properly. 20 small businesses operating in city M are managed by women. So this also does not give us an idea of the question which is being asked, that is, are at least 50% of the bakeries in city M managed by men. So we cannot still answer this question, because statement number 2 tells us only about the small businesses which are being managed by women. So this means 20 small businesses are being managed by women and rest 30 small businesses are managed by men. But these two data point do not tell us how many bakeries are being managed by men or women. So which is the question being asked? Now this means neither statement 1 nor statement 2 alone is able to help us in getting an answer. So what if we combine the data in statement 1 and statement 2 also? So statement 1 said, let us read out, 30% of small businesses managed by women in city M are bakeries. So the right window now. 30% of small businesses being managed by women in city M are bakeries. So we know this figure, the small businesses is being managed by women, which is this 20. So how many small businesses are being managed by women, which is 20. So total number of small businesses being managed by women is 20. So 30% of this 20 are actually the bakeries. So 30% of 20 are bakeries, or if I write completely, 30% of this 20 managed by bakeries managed by women. So 30% of 20 is how much? 6. 30 by 20, sorry, 30 by 100 into 20. So you can take a shot at calculating this. So this 20 will divide this 100 by 5 times, and this 5 will divide 30 by 6 times. So it gives us that 6 bakeries are being managed by women. So the remaining 4 are being managed by men. So we can tell that whether 50% or at least 50% are being managed by men. So let me brief up the solution once again. I assume that there are total 100 businesses. So out of those 100, there are 50% small businesses. 10% are bakeries as given in question. So there are 10 bakeries in city M. It also says 40% of small businesses operating in city M are managed by women. Which is statement number 2. So this is statement number 2. Statement number 1 was 30% of small businesses managed by women in city M are bakeries. So with this statement alone, we were not able to find out what is the number of bakeries which is being managed by women, because we are not able to find out what is the total number of small businesses which are being managed by women. So in order to find out the number of small businesses which are being managed by women, we took help of statement number 2, which says 40% of small businesses operating in city M are managed by women. So we found out that 40% of small businesses is 50% of total. So 40% of 50% of total, which is 20% of total, or 20 if the total number of businesses assumed is 100. So 20 small businesses operating in city M are being managed by women. So once we find out that 20 small businesses are being managed by women, this statement number 1 has helped us in finding out how many bakeries are there which are being managed by women. So 30% of that 20 is 6 bakery. So out of 20 small businesses which are being managed by women, there are 6 bakeries. So out of 10 bakeries in total, there are 6 bakeries which are managed by women, 4 are being managed by men. So we are able to find out the answer on the basis of both the statements. So we'll need both the statements to find the answer. Hence, again, the answer will be option C, which is both statements taken together are sufficient to answer the question, but neither statement alone is sufficient. So that brings me to the end of the task 1 given by EGMAT. Thank you for listening. Thanks. Bye.